Yo guys, it's me Abdi Korevix Menta TST founder. This video is about how we took this sale, guys, and you guys know how we made a lot of money, guys, and price profit more than 100 pips. Yeah, so I want to give you like educational video, like to understand how 220 pips move it gold. And yeah, you guys can check. We took this trade in on the Zoom. Yeah, you guys can see we took it on the Zoom. Okay, you see, 12 like 11 members of a paid group, guys. All right, so I want to give you a recap of why we took this trade. That's why I'm here, guys. Okay, so now let us continue. This is X setup. Okay, first thing first is you have to understand that there was a breakdown, like there was support, another support, smaller, but if you check here, price move it down and then break this support and this support, like something like this. Okay, and then price come down by breaking this support and support lower. So when we see this breakout, there is resistance and that price is holding as a protected point. So price will come back close to that resistance or somewhere like the broken SNR. So all you see is like we got lower base. Let us use trend line, lower base. What do you see? Like, let us put a trend line. This will be a lower base, and there's another trend line which is also upper base. So with that cross is the X factor. That's why we call such setups X factor. Okay, now let us place these lines. Okay, setup was 30 minutes, guys. 30 minutes. Okay, all right. So you have X factor. Now you got an X factor. If we go H1 or 1 hour time frame, you have a setup of SBR. Like, so first you get an X, right? So at 1 hour we have a support level which was broken there, and then it becomes what? Resistance. That's SBR. And then you guys can see that price pull it back the SBR and then drop it down. All right, that's another confluence, and let us use TST technique. So all we can do is make the breakout. Okay, switch to a candlestick so that the size of the breakout is very important. Okay, and then switch back to line charts, and then since this is 1 hour, let us find also in 15 minutes. So in 15 minutes, guys, this is the breakout. Okay, so our zone will be here and here, since it will be close to the X, and then we will place our horizontal lines. All right, another line there. Okay, if the zone is too big or maybe larger than 30 pips, okay, then you can still switch to 5 minutes and then resize the zone. Take this somewhere there, this ABC pattern you see right there, and then put this here. Okay, And then guys, you have TST plus X factor, right? You switch to candlesticks now, and then look how price touch it. Look how price touch it, or zone. Okay, zone is between these two lines, and then when price broke the box, come back, touch, and then that's how we solve off, guys. That's how we solve off gold. So X factor plus SBR plus TST. Let me tell you. First, we found SBR, okay, plus X factor plus TST, which is my technique of entry. I hope that you guys understood exactly how we took this trade. I think this video will help us educational purpose. So yeah, keep learning and make money with me.